In order to customize sidebar apps on POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to open the sidebar, the side toolbox. Over here, we're gonna scroll pretty much all the way down in order to find this plus button. And then over here, we can open the list of apps and you can choose which apps should be added to the smart sidebar. Now over here, we can add up to 10 apps of our choice. So let's say I'm gonna add a couple of them. There we go. And once you are done, of course, we can tap on done in the upper right corner. And if you want to remove something, you can tap on the app from the list on the left side. Now here's a little drawback with this sidebar. While we have our selected apps added, of course, to the list, there are also other apps, like we can call it, I guess, suggested apps, that we cannot really disable. I'm not sure why we are not able to choose exactly which apps we want to have on this list, but yeah, it is what it is. So you can choose pinned apps, I guess we can call them like pinned apps that will be visible from the top, but other than that, the rest of the apps that you can see over here, you cannot really do anything about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.